It's an exciting time at Innovation Central High School as this massive remodeling project is underway and headed for the home stretch. I am your superintendent, Dr. Ledrian Roby. It's a huge project at the oldest functioning high school in the state of Michigan. Now we're at the halfway mark. We wanted to show you some of the progress so far. Take a look.
There is big work underway, visible from the street at Innovation Central High School. From the outside, you can see the progress. Brand new windows improve the iconic and historic school's curb appeal. And on the inside, you can feel it.
It's crazy how much of a difference it makes just by lighting and a little bit of paint.
For Principal Dr. Jason McGee, he's starting to see months and months of work take shape.
It's night and day. It's almost a different school.
Some of the new classrooms are already online. Motion-activated, adjustable lighting, and new technology for instruction.
I absolutely believe that this is going to change the culture, one step at a time.
Even the hallways are getting a new feel.
You come over to this hallway and you start walking and lights cut on.
Security upgrades, new lighting, a brighter, updated environment. The framework is also in place for a new heating system, and for the first time in this building's storied history, building-wide air conditioning is rolling in.
Students can learn in a place where they're comfortable. They're not too hot, they're not too cold. There's a consistency there.
For Dr. McGee, it all feels like progress.
We are technically halfway through the process.
There is still a lot of work to be done.
You can see this is the work that's happening.
Much of the building remains offline as crews work daily, and continuing with teaching and learning through it all has been an experience in and of itself.
We're in it, we're living with it, we're breathing with it, and it's going to be part of the story of Innovation Central and Central's history.
For the work crews here, there will be no summer vacation.
It's going to be about 200 to 300 workers in here over the summer making all this magic happen.
And in the end, it's all about changing the game for our scholars.
We care about you, we love you, we support you, and we want you to be your best. They're excited about it. They're excited about it. They want to see what's to come.
The project is expected to wrap up early in the next calendar year. Dr. McGee and his team can hardly wait.
When the dust is cleared and the building is new and it smells great, it looks great, and we can say, we are Innovation Central. It's 2024. Let's go. Bring your families here, bring your students here, bring your scholars here, and let's learn together in an innovative way. Innovation Central is a school that's on the horizon.
I can hardly wait to walk through the new Innovation Central with our scholars. This work is all about each and every child reaching his or her highest level of achievement. Thank you to the citizens of Grand Rapids.